In this very short video, I will show you what we're working on here at lostboyslab with the Porsche RSR 964. So what you're looking at is Fusion 360, and we use the Einscan 3D scanner to basically scan the area we're interested in. As this is now a carbon fiber chassis on this car, we actually have no way to hold the bay front open. So it's totally missing now from the design. So what we want to do is we actually want to build a fastener here, and we found that there is actually two screws bolted there already. So what we built is a base holder, and the beauty here is that we can design this in place. So as you see, we can follow the edges very smoothly. We can follow the curves. We see all different geometry. Basically, we design in the context of reality. And it's very efficient. What we do then is we can actually print a prototype in on our 3D printers in PLA, see if we are right. In this case we were right away, so we went straight into Markforged ONYX and printed the real deal. And I tell you, we didn't even need to do two prototypes. This one was done exactly as we wanted it to be, straight in, and it fit right in. Next thing is we are using a carbon fiber stick from Easy Composites in the UK. We built a little bit of notch there to it. But what we want to do now is see that this function fits. So we scanned the Porsche, the bay, actually with the lid open as we wanted it. So now all we need to do is actually go in and say we would like to create a rotation and have a rotation angle. And we will take the rotation angle of the center line of the bolt, and now we can actually tilt it upwards, as you can see. And this is great for simulating where it actually will be when it's lit on. So let's see if we can put on our holders here on the front bay and actually simulate that, and just to get it absolutely correct. So this will actually is what will happen. It will slam right in, and this actually fits now quite perfectly. We will do some small adjustments, but this will fit. So now we can actually pull it back down again and see that there is nothing in our way. And of course we can be very precise, as we now have everything scanned in very good precision. So we will also build a snap joint, which we also use already fastenings in the chassis. So here is actually a fastening system here. And we can go very close into the model and see that we actually are using this perfectly aligned. So that will be a bolt going through here. So we don't need to drill extra holes in the chassis. We can use exactly what we have. And with the ONYX printer, we use a carbon fiber nylon composite. We can actually build these components straight out of the 3D printer, do the montage in the car, and since we basically had everything tested out before, we now have a couple of components that actually fits and is really functional. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show today. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.